Hi everyone. My Zen has this old music system which is a Chinese unit. It has a USB input, auxiliary input, and an SD card input, but no Bluetooth. So there's no way I can pair my phone to the car to listen to songs on Amazon Music or Spotify or make calls. So when I checked the internet, I saw Portronics retailing a Bluetooth receiver called Auto 12, which connects to the USB for power and to the auxiliary jack for music input. What I've done is I have attached the unit to the dash using the supplied Velcro strip. It is a very compact unit, as you can see here. And this is the mic, and this is the main button for making calls. If you press this button twice, it redials the last dial number. And the button B is for enhancing the bass for music. And you have these buttons on the side which are for changing the tracks. It is much easier to change the tracks than diverting the attention to the phone screen. And if you long press this button, it activates the voice assistant, Siri for the iPhone and Google Assistant for the Android devices. Example, you can long press the button and say call mama or send a message over WhatsApp to mama, and then you can dictate the message to Siri. So rather than spending money and buying another single DIN stereo, I decided to use this Portronics device for now. For rupees 600, this compact device is totally worth it for converting any stock stereo to a Bluetooth receiving type. And also comes with a neat Velcro strip so you can mount it at a convenient location on your dashboard. And the clarity of the voice is excellent as confirmed by others. Previously, I had to keep my phone in my shirt's pocket and speak, which was not only inconvenient, but sometimes the receiver would not properly hear what I was speaking. Additionally, you can also use this device to stream music from your phone to any old home theater system or stereo amplifier, like how I have shown here with a 12-year-old NAD amplifier that drives a pair of PSB Image B5 speakers. I've used a 3.5 female to stereo RCA jack converter to connect the Auto 12 receiver to the stereo amp. Since the device has a good range, it can also pick up signals from anywhere within the room or its close vicinity. And these are some of the images of the box in which the unit was shipped. That'll be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.